Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. I know that this is not a head-to-head speed test, and Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with the Samsung Exynos 850 chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture with 4GB of RAM, while the new Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with 6GB of RAM. And guys, I want to see that how much a difference between a Samsung Galaxy A31 and a Samsung Galaxy A21s when it comes to the performance wise. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Low came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A21s, followed by the A31. And both phones, it is running on Android 10. We have a One UI 2.1 update on both these two devices, and Samsung logo on both phones. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 as it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 it is also right behind there, and Samsung Galaxy A21s it is beat the A31 when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that both phones comes with a big display, but we have a 720p TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy A21 as compared to a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy A31. Definitely A31 it is a lot better than the Samsung Galaxy A21s when it comes to the display wise. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see Nova app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So starting off by basic stuff, phone dialer, and you can see A31 it is just a tiny bit faster there. The settings, and again Samsung Galaxy A31 it is faster there. Mic lock, and that was exactly the same on both phones. Amazon shopping, and you can see that A21s I have to say, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31 this time it is faster there. Now let's see some games application for checking out the performance. We have the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy A21 as it is faster there. The Subway Surfer, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31 it is faster there, and A21 as it is take a lot of time. And now the A21 as it is also done. The Temple Run 2 launching at the same time, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 as it is faster there this time. And while the Samsung Galaxy A31 now it is also done. Snapchat on both phones, and you can see A31 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Spotify, A21 as this time it is faster there. Twitter on both phones, and you can see A31 it is faster there. Zach, and you can see I have to say A31 it is faster there. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Last one, I'll launch the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A21 as this time it is faster there, followed by the A31. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on both these two devices, and Wikipedia.org on both phones, and again same Wi-Fi network. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A31 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A21s, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. Next on the list is the apple.com, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A21s this time it is faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Let's see the RAM band on both phones, and we have a 4GB of RAM compared to 6 on the Samsung Galaxy A31. Phone dialer, refresh on the A31. Let's see settings, that is refresh on both phones. Mic lock, Amazon shopping, again refresh on the A31. Subway Surfer, let's see the Temple Run 2, Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Refresh. Let's see Snapchat. Refresh. Spotify. Refresh. Let's see the Twitter. That is not refresh. Zedge. And we are back to the internet browser. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31, while the A21s it is faster in some application, but overall A31 it is the winner. And RAM management, it is really average on both phones. I have the RAM management will fix with some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.